Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube live. Today we are going to talk about how to do Ho'oponopono before sleeping. So those who are here right now with me live on YouTube, congratulations for being here and thank you for joining us live. Yes, we have started. Those who are watching this video later, let's see how we are sleeping and what is the quality of our sleep. So, before we start, I want you to answer what is the quality of sleep that you get? So, is it a good sleep, a great sleep, or an average sleep? So, type the quality of sleep that you have when you are going to bed at night and when you are waking up in the morning. How do you feel? So, first, how do you feel at night when you are sleeping? So, how is the quality of your sleep? Great, medium, good, pretty bad. Okay, what else? Everyone, those who are here, and even if you're watching this later on the recording, this is very, very important because the frequency with which you are sleeping at night determines the whole programming during the night, which is happening while you are sleeping, and also dictates the quality of the next day that you're going to have because you wake up with that same frequency. So, some people are sleeping great, some people are not having that great sleep. So, those who are having great sleep, congratulations. Those who are not having such a great sleep, this video can help you. So, watch till the end and also subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed. So, the first thing that I want to share with you is this type of Ho'oponopono. I've never shared it in any of my program. And today I got an inspiration to share this only for this video first time. For the first time, I'm sharing this. And this I used to do when I was in school, when I even was not aware of what Ho'oponopono is, but I had this practice. So, everyone, tell me in the chat throughout the day, do you feel that you have done certain things which might have hurt someone intentionally or unintentionally? Do you feel that? Just type Y in the chat. If you feel yes, throughout the day, there are few things where you feel you should have not said this, you should have not done this, maybe you could have done this a little better, if not to someone else, to yourself. If you feel that, type yes in the chat. And if you don't feel that, you can type no for no, I don't feel like that in the comment section. So if you will type faster, I'll be able to deliver this faster. So question number one that I have for everyone is, so, how we are sharing and checking what Ho'oponopono is doing for us while we are sleeping is, the first thing that we need to check when we are going to bed is quality of sleep. Second thing, so how do you check what is the quality of sleep? Is it bad, good, or great? So you can check it this way. Second thing that we need to check is, now you are on bed, you're lying down, and there is overthinking and all kinds of revision of the day goes on. And sometimes we worry about one particular problem, especially when we are going to sleep. So, do you worry about any one particular problem when you are going to sleep on any particular day? Just type Y if yes and N if no. So, check whether there is a repetitive issue for which you are worrying, or you worry or you're anxious about it. So do you have a repetitive issue for which you are worrying or you're anxious? ये आपको check करना जरूरी है, because now what this is creating is a pattern. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? ये बन जाएगा हमारे लिए एक pattern. Third thing that we need to do is, so यहाँ तक जितने लोगों ने आंसर कर दिया, let me just check. So check with yourself. Are you sleeping with some patterns? Patterns of worry, patterns of anxiety, patterns of thinking about repeated issues. So do you have a pattern of going to bed with a repetitive issue going on in your mind like a cassette? If yes, please type Y. If no, then type N. And then next thing that we need to do is, okay, the thing that which I asked is that throughout the day, we feel that we might have hurt somebody intentionally and unintentionally. So if you know Ho'oponopono and you're already aware of it, congratulations. If you're someone who's not aware of what Ho'oponopono is, go back and check my other videos on the channel where you'll learn what Ho'oponopono is. So I'll tell you the basic sentences that we use in Ho'oponopono for cleaning the negativity. So what we are doing is, throughout the day, whatever happened with us, we are revising that and we are doing Ho'oponopono for that thing. So it's Ho'oponopono for the entire day. So while we are sleeping at the night, we are doing Ho'oponopono for the entire day. And how we do that is through the normal sentences that we have. So the first sentence is I am sorry. So if you are watching this video, keep writing throughout the day what happened with you. So that is why we are doing this video at night. So tell me, what do you feel happened in your day for which you feel, you should have said sorry to this person, or maybe you should have done this differently, or maybe you should have said sorry to yourself. So I am sorry for, and whatever comes to you immediately while you are watching this video, even if you're watching this later, type in the comment section what you are sorry for. Like, what do you feel could have gone differently in your life right now? So fill in the blank. I am sorry for, everyone. As I am speaking here, you should be typing in the comment section so that your subconscious is getting rid of the emotions that you're feeling, where you're feeling guilty. So whenever we are saying I'm sorry, please forgive me, we are releasing the emotion of guilt, and then we are creating compassion within us. So tell me what you're sorry for throughout the day. What do you think, to whom you want to say sorry, for what you want to say sorry, and how you want to say this today? Right now is your moment. And let's go next. What next we need to say? So next statement that you already are aware of is please forgive me. So we go, please forgive me. So now when you know you have done something wrong and you can say sorry, so what do you want to say sorry for? And why you want somebody or yourself to forgive you for? So please forgive me. And then this is the very, very beautiful thing that you can do. And as you are typing and listening to me, please type, fill in the blanks for all the things that we are doing here right now. Thank you. So the next statement is thank you. So for what things you are grateful during the entire day. So this is not I'm sorry for, please forgive me. These are not only for one thing that happened, but you are revising the entire day. So in the entire day, what are things you would like to say thank you to, whom all those people you would like to say thank you. So you don't have to go to individual person and say thank you. In your mind, you have to think about all those great things that happened during the day, and then you say thank you for a great meal that I had, thank you for a great laughter that I had, thank you for the visit that I had, thank you for the message that I had from a friend, thank you for the special time I got from my friend, thank you for most wonderful things. Even if you feel something is not so wonderful, you can be still grateful that you're still alive and going to bed right now. You can say thank you for your bed, thank you for everything that happened during the day, and then you say I love you. So why do you want to love? What is it that you're saying I love you for? So this I love you, you can say to the universe, to yourself, to your loved ones, in your mind, that I love you for, doing this, making this so easy, being with me. And you can say this to yourself also, I love you for being so nice today to this person, I love you for being so kind to yourself. So first you need to revise your entire day in your mind, and you need to apply Ho'oponopono to the entire day while you're going at bed. So when you do all these things, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, what actually happens is you have cleansed the entire day and you have released all the emotions of that entire day, and your focus does not go on the repetitive issue, because your focus has gone on cleaning your present, cleaning your just one day. And once you clean that day and you have a lot of things to be grateful for, to be compassionate for, to be, loving towards, slowly you get into a frequency of peace and calmness. And when you go into sleep, you drift into sleep with this peace and calmness. What happens is your subconscious mind registers that piece, you have a great sleep, and the next day you wake up with the same frequency, and then you can control your day, you can dictate your day, and you can command yourself to move into a particular way. So these are the three steps. Check the quality of the sleep, check whether you are thinking about some repetitive issue. If yes, stop focusing on that. How do you stop focusing on something? You start focusing on something different. So you focus on your entire day and clean it with I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, and you fill in the blanks, fatafat say, and then you go to the sleep, and next day you check the quality of your sleep one more time, and come back to this video later and share with us how your quality of sleep has improved and how Ho'oponopono is playing a role in that. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments section, and you can also share with us if you're watching this later, and if you come up with the things that yes, I'm sorry for this, please forgive me for this, you can also share that with us in the comment section right now. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section, and also let us know how you did Ho'oponopono tomorrow. Whenever you are sleeping, come back to this video and share with us for all the things which you could do Ho'oponopono for, and how it changed the quality of your sleep, and was it better than yesterday. So that's it from my end today. Thank you so much. Lots of love for being here and sharing your wonderful energies with us. And I would like to do, as an example, right now, how I can do I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you for this video before I sleep. So I'm sorry for being late in going live and making you wait. Please forgive me for breaking your trust at some points and where you feel cheated. Please forgive me for being too fast at times when I'm making the video, sometimes being too slow. Thank you for giving your special time to me, for paying attention to what I say, for coming here, commenting on my videos, sharing your love, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel. I love you for being there for me and giving energy to me and being so compassionate and kind towards me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Lots of love to everyone. Bye bye. Take care. This is how you also can do it. So I've just done this for the video, and for you people, you can do it throughout the day, revise your day and how things are going. Do it for I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love. Thank you.